Hi Libra, you guys are welcome to the month of November 2018. Thank you for joining me again, and happy Halloween to all of you guys. Guys, like I keep saying to you guys, I want you guys to check your moon sign and your rising sign, not your sun signs alone. You understand? Because some months, those signs are going to resonate with you more than your sun sign alone will resonate with you. So let's get started with your reading and let's see what's actually going on for you guys for the month of November 2018. Right. So God, please can I sit and card Celtic spirit for the zodiac sign of Libra in love, please, for the month of November. The love story for Libra for the month of November 2018. The first card will represent the current situation for Libra in their love life for the month of November 2018. Second card is going to be who the Librans are actually dealing with for the month of November 2018. It's going to be the challenge. Second card is going to be the challenge in their love life for the month of November 2018. Third card is going to be the root cause of why what is happening to Libra for the month of November 2018. The fourth card is going to be the past for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. The fifth card is going to be the best case scenario for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. Sixth card is going to be playing to the near future for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. Seventh card is going to be how the Libra actually see themselves in this relationship that they are for the month of November 2018. Eighth card is going to be who's coming towards Libra in their love life for the month of November 2018. Ninth card is going to be the hope sphere and advice for Libra in their love life for the month of November 2018. And the 10th card is going to be the final outcome for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. And card get historical expect for Libra in love in their love life for the month of November 2018. Please. Final show for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. The Librans in love once again for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. Libra. Situation for Libra in their love life for the month of November 2018. Two more show for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. One more show for Libra in love for the month of November 2018. Libra. So Libra, what I'm seeing for you right now at the bottom of the deck tells me that some of you might actually see yourself as not actually, willing to like fight for this relationship anymore, not standing your ground, not, ready to like give up the competition. So if you are competing for somebody, you might actually see yourself as actually willing to give up on competing for this person, giving up on a competition. That's what I'm actually seeing for you guys. Right? Yeah. Coming to the current moment for you, Libra, I'm seeing a situation whereby you see yourself as actually making a final decision to let go of somebody, to cut somebody away from your life. You understand? So you might actually be deciding to let go of this person, cutting this person away, letting go of them. You understand? Like the Seven of Wands I'm seeing is still the same thing as the Two of Swords. You understand? But you might actually see yourself as actually making a final decision, very, very fast decision to cut things away from this person. Libra. Yeah, the challenge that you are actually having with this person is you are not actually the direction that you want the relationship to go, the way you actually expected things to move on with them in the relationship. Things unfortunately are not actually moving on that way. You understand? That's the challenge that you actually have in the relationship with them. It's telling me that someone that you see yourself that you're actually dealing with, that you're actually cutting away because things does not actually move the direction that you want it to move. You understand? The relationship does not actually move the direction that you want it to move. Things does not actually take the shape that you want it to take. And as a result of that, you might actually see yourself as actually willing to like cut things away from this person. You understand? For now, that's what I'm actually seeing for you for the month of Libra, for the month of November. Yeah, it's telling me that this person that we're actually talking about might be somebody that is actually an air sign, a Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Somebody that is might actually be younger for some of you. If they are not younger, it might just tell me that this person is actually behaving kind of immature. You understand? They are not actually really mature for their age. You understand? Or they behave kind of immature. And it's telling me that the relationship doesn't actually move the direction that you want it to move with them. And what you have to do right now is just to make a final decision to let go of them, to make a final decision to cut things away from them. That's what I'm actually seeing for some of you, right? Libras. Yeah, tells me that this person, even in the past, you find it very difficult to reunite with this person. You find it very difficult to work things out with them. You find it very difficult to come back to reunite with them. You understand? And that's why, and that's the reason why I said that I see that things are not actually moving the direction that you want it to move. The relationship does not actually take the shape that you want it to take. It is not actually taking that. And because of that, you had a decision that you were actually meant to make about this person that you've been ignoring for a long time. But it's telling me that right now you are done ignoring this decision, and you have to make that decision. And the decision that you are going to be making is to cut things away, because things are not actually moving the way you actually want it to move. Is what I'm actually seeing right now. Right. So let's continue anyway. Yeah, it tells me that the relationship does not actually move anywhere. So it's like you are dealing with an air sign, a Gemini, a Libra, and Aquarius, that you might actually see yourself that you have to like let go of. You have to like cut them away from your life, because things does not actually move the direction that you want it to move with them. Like the relationship is actually not moving forward. Like you see yourself as actually being stuck. You see yourself actually being stand still. You understand? Because things doesn't actually move the way you actually want it to move. You see yourself as actually, alone right now, and you don't even know the decision that you want to a final decision to make, but you see yourself as actually cutting things away from them anyway. Those are the things I'm actually seeing for you right now, Libra. Yeah, still going to the near future for you, Libra, tells me that the decision that you're actually making, that you're actually feeling lazy to put in the effort to make this relationship work out. It's telling me that you're not actually giving to this relationship to make things work out with this person. You might see yourself as actually becoming kind of lazy. You understand? Not actually able to like put in the effort that you need to make the relationship work out. Going to the near future, it's telling me that you are not actually putting in the effort to make this relationship play out with you and them anymore. Like something that you're actually tired of, that you'll be making a final decision to let go. And because of that, you're not actually putting in the effort to make things work out. You understand? It's like you are done competing. You are done fighting for. Those are the things I'm actually seeing. Something that you're actually done fighting for. Something that you don't want to fight for anymore. Those are the things I'm actually seeing for you, Libra. Yeah, but for some reason, you guys are still, we I actually see you is telling me that on this decision that you want to make, you're actually being impulsive. You are ready to make a final, as in you're very, very, you're, it's like you're taking actions. So it's like you're taking actions, and the action that I'm seeing that you're actually taking right now, you might see yourself as actually communicating with this person again, and telling this person that, okay, you think you have to let things go. You understand? You think you have to cut things away. You understand? Because it's telling me that actions are actually being taken. Actions will be taken, Libra. Those are things I'm actually seeing. But definitely what I'm seeing about this person is this person really still want to reunite with you. You understand? They are trying to they want to make things work out with you. That's where I actually see. It's like telling me that this person still want to work things out with you, and they still want to make things work out with you. What I actually see. But this relationship for now, it just stands still. It's not going forward. It's not moving backward at all. It's just stands still. You understand? And it's telling me that you might see yourself as actually, some of you might actually see yourself as actually dealing with somebody that you've not been seeing for a long time. Like you are dealing with somebody that you don't see. You understand? You were not able to reunite with them, and you've not been seeing them a long time. That's what I'm actually seeing for some of you as well, because storyline is going to be very different, because I'm reading for a lot of people. But with what I actually see right now tells me that majority of you understand, are cutting somebody away. Few of you are seeing yourself as actually dealing with somebody that you don't see eye to eye. You understand? And because of that, you see that relationship does not actually move the way you actually want it to move. Because of that, you see yourself that you are not actually able to reunite with this person. You've not been seeing this person. And the person I'm seeing that we are talking about is actually a Gemini, a Libra, and Aquarius. Somebody that you might still see yourself as actually still communicating with. Communication might be there with you and them, but you end up not meeting up with them. You end up not, seeing them. Yeah, what I'm seeing for some of you right now tells me that, you see this person as somebody that you actually deal with that is actually very inconsistent with you. Somebody that you see today that you don't see tomorrow. It's telling me that the passion that you actually want with them is actually not, is not frequent. A passion that is actually going to be there today, then for the next 1 month is actually not there, 3 weeks is actually not there. So that's what I'm actually seeing. It's telling me that, passion is actually not there for you guys right now. And the outcome I'm getting for you, Libra, for the month of November tells me that majority of you right now might actually see yourself as actually cutting things away from this person. Like I keep saying, it's telling me that you're actually cutting things away. So you might actually see yourself as actually cutting things away, making a final decision to let go of somebody. You understand? You're actually cutting things away. You're actually letting go of this person, this Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. That's what I'm actually seeing for you that you're actually doing. Like you actually, some of you might actually see yourself as actually remaining single and trying to like cut a relationship away for the month of November 2018. Can I see another card on this Queen of Swords, the outcome card for Libra? Libra, this Queen of Swords, please. Why is this Queen of Swords there for Libra, please, for the month of... Yeah, because what I'm seeing for you, Libra, tells me that the success and the victory that you want with this person is actually unachieved. You understand? So majority of you might see yourself not willing to travel to meet this person anymore, cutting away traveling. You understand? So even though you want to meet up with them before you want to travel to see them, it's telling me that you might actually cut this traveling away. You understand? You might decide not to move on. And I see another card on this Knight of Swords. Why is this Knight of Swords here for Libra, please? Knight of Swords for Libra. So it's like some of you, Libra, you might see yourself as taking this action. And for you that you're actually taking this action, that you're actually going to be cutting things away, it's actually giving you your emotional balance. It's actually giving you your wish fulfillment. It's like what you want. You understand? It's like you are doing what you want. You're going to be taking action and doing what you want. By doing that, you understand, by cutting this person away, by letting go of them for some reason, tells me that it's going to be fulfilling you. It's going to be bringing your wish fulfillment to you. Can I see another card on this three of Pentacles? Yeah, what I'm seeing about this person tells me that somebody that is actually stuck on you, that they are not actually ready to let you go. They keep thinking of you every time and they don't want to let you go. They don't want to release you. You understand? They don't want to release you because they still care about you. They want things to work out with you and them. That's what I'm actually seeing about this person. Page of Pentacles, please. What is this? What is Knight of Pentacles here, please? Yeah, it's telling me that, this is somebody that we see, that you understand that there could be a brand new beginning for you and them in the future. What I'm actually saying. You understand? There could be a brand new beginning for you and this person in the future. But for now, you guys are actually like just, for this November that I'm actually seeing, it's telling me that you guys will have to like cut things away. This person, you are actually going to be deciding to let go of this person, to release them, to make a final decision on them. You understand what I'm actually saying? Can I see another kind of this Page of Swords? Why is this Page of Swords here, please? Yeah, there are some secret. There are some secret that is actually being kept from this person. That the way I'm actually saying, what I'm actually saying is telling me that there are some secret communication that is actually being involved with this person. There are some things that are actually hidden about them that you don't actually have knowledge of. You understand? With this air sign that I'm actually talking about. You understand? Like I said, some of you are actually dealing with somebody that is actually younger than you are, that they are not actually of your age range. You understand? And you are not actually seeing them. You are not actually seeing them at all. You are not seeing them face to face. You are not seeing them eye to eye. Yeah, it's telling me that some of you might actually see yourself as making a decision to let go of this relationship, thereby having your wishes come true. You understand? Some of you might see yourself as actually having to like cancel a travel, you understand, because of this person, right? Like some of you might actually see yourself as actually stopping it. You want to travel, but you have to just stop that traveling. You want to go on a journey, but you have to stop that journey that you want to go. You understand that you want to start. That's what I'm actually seeing for you, Libra. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you are able to like get the clarity that you actually want in your love life for the month of November 2018. If you actually want a private reading, please do get in touch with me for private reading by the link below. The link below the description below takes you to my business page. Then you can actually book yourself a private reading from me. So thank you guys for joining me for November. I really appreciate your effort. And for the people that actually donated, thank you so much one more time. And I hope I see you guys for mid-month. And if I don't see you guys for mid-month again, it's going to be in December. So have a wonderful November, guys. Bye.